Okay, the private function is over, so now I can get in here. Scars Pizza. $6.50. Wow. $8.50 for with a lot of toppings. That's crazy. Cheap for Vegas. Looks good too. That's really good price for pizza. I don't know what's in there. Close company. $5 for a chicken wing, one chicken wing. $5 for a solo chicken tender. I don't see the price for the, I don't know, they have hamburgers? The Sando is boneless breast, comeback sauce, pickles, $16. Okay. They're not back open after the private event. They're not back in business yet. Same with this place. I don't think they open tonight to the public. But that pizza place is definitely an option. That competes with everybody. And I don't know what they sell here. AV right there. I don't know. It's not A&W, it's AV. Oh, they sell tacos. BS Taqueria. Crunchy taco, $7. Chorizo taco, $6. Quesadilla tacos, $14. Not bad. Not bad at all. Well, now I cracked the code. At least we know that it's open to the public. You don't have to have a reservation. The pasta looks good. Me lobster. Lobster roll, $29. I guess that's okay. I mean, if you gotta have a lobster, you gotta have a lobster. I wonder where they're getting those lobsters. That's important. Chipotle. Uh-oh. Popeyes is closed. I wonder if that's permanently or just tonight. I don't know. No information. Will return 5:30. It's way past 5:30. No telling. This is the cheapest Popeyes on the strip, so I hope they're not closed for good. No word about anything. They look like their equipment's still here. And there's Panda. Wow, Panda's doing good. Oh, Panda's cheaper here than most places on the strip too. $10.50 for a bowl and one side. $12 on the plate and one side. 2 entrees and a side. Wow. That's a good bit cheaper than the rest of them. Ooh, and it smells good. When they're busy, that food is good. Social light pizza. Somebody burnt the living hell out of that one. They got to be fired. So that one's cooked perfect. They got Stromboli, saxophone, you name it. They play it. Their pizza slices are under $10. This looks pretty authentic. This doesn't look, I've never heard of this place before. It's almost like it's only here, but that's normally not the case in a food court. They got a real pizza oven. And Johnny Rockets, $22.99 for cheeseburger and french fries. I don't know, I don't think that's worth that. Curly pot, $5 for a mango lasso. I don't know what that is. Lamb vindaloo, $23.99. Do they have a gyro? You would think they would, but I don't see one. Jaybirds. Oh man, Jaybirds putting out some good smell. Chicken sandwich and fries, $13.89, $85. Mac Daddy sandwich and fries. Chicken, a small they have a Baby J sandwich for $8.65. It's good looking food. And then this is connected. It's the same kitchen, but a different register and a different menu. That's weird. Stagecoach, Country Roadhouse. Chicken wings, 6 chicken wings for $7.99. That's actually really good. That's way cheaper than Wing Zone. Shit, half the price of Wing Zone. 6 chicken wings for $7.99. It's really not bad at all. Pulled pork sandwich, $12.99. If it looks like if it tastes like the picture, wow, it's a good deal. I don't know what that is. The Filipino stuff. Hello. $10.99. Fire of Brazil. I've seen this somewhere else. I can't remember where. Small beef plate, $12.25. Burger, $16.99. Ooh, they got it's beef patties, sausage, and an egg, $16.99, all on one bun. It's a little bit weird. Just a little bit weird. And then we get into the regular food restaurants. It's still counter service, which I like. I'm tired of waiting on people service sucks. I'd rather get it myself. All right, that's the food court. One of the best, some might say. Everybody says.